In 2025, money doesn't just follow hard work, it follows attention. We've entered the age of the attention economy, where your followers, views, and influence are worth more than traditional skills. You can make thousands, even millions, just by capturing people's attention online. But here's what most people don't realize: attention is now a currency. And like any currency, those who know how to use it get rich. Think about it, YouTubers, streamers, influencers, and creators aren't just entertainers anymore. They're business owners. Brands are spending billions every year to buy your attention. Every scroll, every click, every second you spend online, someone is monetizing it. In 2025, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter, are competing to pay creators directly. Shorts, reels, micro-content, it's all part of a digital gold rush. The more eyeballs you attract, the more valuable you become. People used to chase degrees. Now, they chase engagement. There are high school students making $10,000 a month reviewing gadgets, teachers quitting their jobs to post financial advice, and gamers earning more than Wall Street traders. What changed? Access. Anyone with a phone can reach millions. You don't need Hollywood, you just need Wi-Fi, consistency, and something to say. The internet leveled the playing field, and those who build a personal brand are winning big. Here's the part most people miss. You don't need to be famous to profit from attention. You can use it to build an audience for your business, sell a skill, promote your brand, or create digital products. Step 1, pick your niche. Finance, fitness, fashion, tech, anything. Step 2, provide value. People follow what helps or entertains them. Step 3, monetize. You can earn from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, courses, or even AI tools that automate content. Attention chucks trust. Trust chucks income. That's the new formula of 2025. But it's not all easy money. Attention burns out fast. Algorithms change, audiences shift, and trends die overnight. Many creators crash because they treat attention like fame, not business. If you want to survive the attention economy, you have to think long-term. Build a brand, not just a viral clip. Create a community, not just views. Because real wealth doesn't come from a million followers, it comes from what you do with them. The world runs on attention now, and those who master it will control the future. You don't need luck or rich parents. You just need consistency, creativity, and courage to start. So ask yourself, are you consuming content or creating it? Because in 2025, attention isn't free. It's how people get rich. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because here on G-Man, we talk about how to make, grow, and protect your money in the modern world. Let's make 2025 the year you build wealth from your ideas.